Did you know that Blaze can use web pages to create content just for you? I'm going to show you how easy this process is using a website in your phone. From the homepage, tap Create New. Scroll down to Advanced Tools and tap Turn Anything into Content. Then start the Turn Website into Content wizard. You can use any URL that you want here. I have this article that shares how to get the best results using the French press technique copied to my clipboard, so I'm going to go ahead and paste that in. Once you tap Return or Enter on your keyboard, Blaze begins analyzing the website's content. Once it's finished, you can select if you want to create multiple pieces of content or a single piece of content. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and select Create a Single Piece of Content. Tap Select Content Type to proceed. Now, simply choose the type of content that you want. I'm going to go ahead and create a LinkedIn text post, so I'm going to tap that. Notice that Blaze automatically moves to the next step in that wizard. Now you just need to simply review and tweak the options in the wizard, starting with the doc name and project location. These both work for me, but I could edit or tweak them if I wanted. Next up is emojis. You can toggle this off if you want, but I'm fine with them, so I'm going to leave it on. Moving down to target audience, Blaze has done a good job understanding who my target audience is, so I'm going to leave this alone as well. Scrolling down, we need to set how long we want our LinkedIn text post to be. I'm going to go ahead and change it to 50 to 75 words for my post. You select what works best for you. Next up is brand voice. This lets Blaze write content that sounds just like your brand. They only take a minute or two to set up, and if you didn't have a brand voice or didn't want to use one, you could alternatively select up to 3 tones. Source materials are next on the list. Blaze uses source materials as reference content when it authors your post. They're optional, and I'm going to go ahead and select this one right here. Next up is the posting section. This lets you take the output from the single LinkedIn wizard and create multiple copies of your post, but for other platforms. It's a more advanced feature, great for saving time, but I recommend users experiment with it after they've gotten comfortable creating and posting content inside of Blaze first. I'm going to go ahead and leave it set to LinkedIn only. You can also set the language that you want your post created in. I'm going to leave mine set to English. In the More Ways to Configure section, you can add in links that you want to include into your post, and also outline words, phrases, or concepts that you want Blaze to avoid using when generating your content. I'm going to go ahead and skip these though for this video. When you're ready to proceed, tap Select Images. Blaze now shows you a couple of images that it thinks could work for your post. You can scroll through these and select anything you want to include. Tapping Show More will give you some more options to choose from. Tapping Add from another source will bring up the Blaze image workflow. You can use these tools to either generate something with AI, upload something from your phone, link to something online, search for something in the stock media library or the GIF library, and you can also use the recently uploaded media section if you want. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of this and select one of the initial images that Blaze recommended. Make your selection, and when you're ready, tap Generate Post. Now, Blaze takes all of that information in the wizard and brings it together inside of Blaze documents. You get a preview of how the post will look on LinkedIn. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll see that you can edit the content of your post, use copy options to look at other post variations that Blaze has generated for you, cross-post to other platforms, or turn this specific post into other content like blogs. I'm happy with the output though, so I'm going to go ahead and post it. To do that, tap Post or Schedule to post your content. Then select Post Now if you want to go straight to your social media account, or Schedule for later if you want to set a date and time when you want the post to go live. To show you what this looks like, I'm going to go ahead and post it right away by tapping Post Now. As you can see, Blaze gets to work creating the post over on LinkedIn. Let's jump over there and check it out. Just like that, Blaze was able to take a website and use the information on that website to generate content for you. It's just one of the many ways that Blaze saves you time as a small business owner. Make sure that you like this video so others can find it just as easy as you did. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.